this. Keep in mind, this isn't perfect. I did make some of them white because the thing is the background is white. So if we make it transparent, and because this is black, it'll show up black instead of what the background is because the background color is white. So if you could just make them all white. Keep in mind this isn't perfect, so don't try and copy this exactly. Just make sure that you got like this is a crossing, this goes like that and up, and you got all the different types in there. So now we're gonna make them a little more detailed. So this is just a base. Select dark blue color. Make a line, just outlining the edge. Then the second layer we're gonna leave red. Third layer, gonna use black. So I'm gonna skip a dot here. And I'm gonna put two blacks here. So that's how I do that part. For the inside, I'm gonna make it a little kind of like a lighter color of black. So just go up the scale a little bit of dark to light and fill the whole thing in like that. And now we want to make things that look like spikes here in the middle. So I'm going to use black again for the outline. Start my circle tool, go from this part to, and need to have just outline from there to there. And then since I want each circle to be exactly the same, I'm going to copy and paste this one. So either Control C and Control V, or you can select it and do copy paste from here. So copy paste. So like I said, as you can see, this isn't perfect because the edges don't align. Hopefully they'll align right in yours, but they don't align. So now I want to make it inside white, and as I said earlier, the background color is white. So if I show us white, it shows transparent. And since we don't want to do that, we are not going to use true white. So the color for white is 255, 255, 255. So that looks really white. It is white. So if we change it a little bit, it's not pure white, but it looks it. So I'm gonna make it at 254. And this looks extremely white, but it's actually a little dark, a little less red in there, but it still looks really white. So just fill them in each of these. That's how I make them a little more detailed. Now I've just applied the same thing to all of these. To make it quicker, you could do something like copying like this part. Control C, Control V, and then putting it here, and just by using this tool, you could change the lines around a little bit. Yeah, so by you doing that, I'll go a little quicker. And if you do that, eventually, it should look something like this. So that's your tile set. Probably took a long time, and so this is how it's split. It's into the tiles. Right now, it's cutting out a piece of 16 by 16 and stuff. So we don't want it to be 16 by 16. There's 32 by 32. So we got to make a horizontal step, so the space in between each of them. And we want to make the offset 1 because we also made dots along the edges. And we also want to make the vertical offset 1. So that's how it should look. This is probably going to take you the longest of any other tutorial, but that's how to do it. So, hope you learned something.